Now the high yield topic of chemistry for the NEET examination. The first chapter or unit of class 11 is the some basic concept of chemistry. This is a theoretical chapter and it is an important chapter in the point of view of the physical chemistry, the relation of physical chemistry, the unit and dimension of physical chemistry, like the unit and dimension unit of physics. This is the unit and dimensional analysis of the chemistry. So it is a must read topic so that you easily cope up the topic of physical chemistry. So please read it, but in the marks point of view it is not very important. One question came every year. Next, the important and the star mark topic is the structure of atom. Every year 2 to 3 questions came from this chapter, and then the periodic properties or periodic table. Also, this is the chapter which is linked with the block chemistry. This is the basic of block chemistry. This is a bypass path of block chemistry. If you read all the topics of this chapter, you able to know something, some point of the block chemistry without reading those topics. So please read it, and 2 questions every year came from this chapter. Next, the most important and most starred topic is the chemical bonding and molecular structure. Every year 3 to 4 questions came from this chapter. And also for the base of organic and inorganic chemistry, this is a very interesting and very important chapter, and all the topic is must read topic. Please read all the topic. Next, the states of matter, mostly the gas, and this is an easy topic, and from this chapter graph based question is usually asked, and the ideal gas equation which you also read in physics. And from this chapter 2 questions came every year. Next, the star mark topic is the thermodynamics, and 3 to 4 questions from this chapter is usually asked in your NEET examination, and all the topic is very important and related to the physics. Thermodynamics is almost same as the physics thermodynamics, and for those reasons it is very easy for you. Next, the difficult but very important unit of class 11 physical chemistry is the equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium part is easy, but the ionic is a bit difficult, but it is almost depend on your practice and accuracy. If you practice lot the question of ionic equilibrium, it's very helpful for you, and both the chapter togetherly give a huge weightage from physical chemistry. Almost 5 to 6 questions from this chapter is asked in unit examination. And then the chapter of class 11 later part is redox reaction. It is not important, but 1 question came every year. Then hydrogen also on 1 question. This is the chapter you should read the later part. In the early part you cover the topic which is I give star, then cover this topic as like redox reaction, hydrogen, and from block chemistry the S block and P block is very important because 2 to 3 questions from S block and 5 questions from P block every year came from this chapter. Togetherly group 13 to group 18 means class 11 P block plus class 12 P block, and all the topic is very important. And then the base of organic chemistry is the GOC. This is a must read topic. This is the base of your class 12's organic chemistry: haloalkane, hydrogen, alcohol, phenol ether, aldehyde, ketone, and also biomolecule. Please read the topic because its weightage is huge. 3 to 4 questions came directly, and all the organic questions is related to this chapter. If you not cover this chapter, it is very difficult. Believe me, it is very difficult for you to cope up the organic chemistry question, and the organic part of chemistry is very easy. And like hydrocarbon, 2 to 3 questions or 3 to 4 questions came from this chapter every year. And then the environmental chemistry, it is a theoretical chapter, and one question every year came from this chapter. This is all about the class 11 chemistry. Then we will discuss with you about the class 12 chemistry. The first chapter of class 12 is difficult, but it is, if you mark up the formula from this chapter, it is very easy. The solid state, 2 question every year came, and the solution, this is an easy chapter, 2 to 3 question. The electrochemistry, it is a star mark chapter, solution star mark chapter. Electrochemistry, from electrochemistry 3 to 4 question every year asked in the Neet. And also star mark chapters, chemical kinetics, 3 question every year is asked from this chapter. And surface chemistry is a theoretical chapter, and 1 question is for the paper from surface chemistry. And this is a general principle and process of isolation of element. From this chapter, the metallurgy is the important part, because from the metallurgy 2 question or sometimes 1 question came, and it is a small topic covered this topic, metallurgy. And in the previous 11 topic I told you that the P block is, the whole P block is very important star mark topic, 5 star mark topic, because from the P block almost 60% of inorganics question came. P block plus chemical bonding. And also D and F block, it is a, F block is not as much important as the D block, but the D block is the most important. 2 to 3 question is for this chapter. And the coordination compound, it is also 5 star topic, because 3 to 4 question from this chapter are asked in your Neet examination. And this is a applied topic, and this is a bit difficult, but this is practice based, problem based topic. And next, the chapter of which is left for our discussion is the organic part, the haloalkane haloarine. This is easy chapter if you cover the GOC. I repeatedly say that GOC is very important. Please cover the GOC, then it will be very easy, because all the mechanism is there in the GOC. And the haloalkane haloarine alcohol phenol ether, it is some special reaction which is to learn from the book only. So GOC is the most important. And in haloalkane haloarine 2 question is came every year, and alcohol phenol ether 3 to 4 question. This is a star mark topic. All organic chapter is star mark, because it is a number scoring topic. And the most important organic chapter, most important organic chapter is alcohol, aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. Almost 5 question came every year in this topic, and also it is related to GOC. And then amine 2 question. And then previously no question is asked from biomolecule, polymer and chemistry in everyday life. Now as the NTA has planned to ask question from biomolecule, polymer and chemistry in everyday life. And also it is a very easy topic to cover in 1 to 2 days only. And in biomolecule both topic is what is 1 question, and polymer is 1 to 2 question from polymer is set for the paper. This is all about the chemistry. Firstly, the cover the star mark question, and then the non-star mark topic, and solve all the PYQ repeatedly. And for inorganic chemistry, please follow the NCRT, and for all topic, please solve the PYQ, at least 20 years PYQ, and give the mock test repeatedly. It is not that if you score low marks in your mock test, if you will score low marks in your final exam, please give mock test, and it will help to rectify you before your examination, and you able to find your difficulty and weakness in your topics. So this is all about chemistry. Thank you.